Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video, I will show you how to fix camera not working on Infinix Smart 20. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So restart phone, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again click on restart, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin and you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management. After click on app management, click on app list. After click on app list and click on camera app and click on storage and cache. If you want to fix this problem, so click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app, scroll down, and click on, you will see my phone and you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, last solution is reset all setting. Click on settings app, scroll down to end, click on system, reset phone and click on reset all settings. Reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix camera not working on Infinix Smart 20. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.